don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by Easy Pets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my fans at the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Mackenzie 1. I'm Troy Pie. The best chairman in the world is Schwager Parks. Schwager Parks!
Tipos. My fans were too. Hey, Chahula. Hey, Tada, Sanbuna Nonke. Sengithi sifane season. Ngakithi Tipos sesifane season.
Sekubali season.
Sifane season.
Yeah.
Akasibonga ama fans wethu.
Sure, che.
Day 1 until I close the season today. Loyal with football PSL. Enza show ukuthi anikeza ama viewers everyone ekhaya abona umsebenzi wabalandeli. Siyanibonga kakhulu bafowethu ishow inkulu kakhulu. Kumele siyibonge sisaphila because once safa ke sithole chance yokubuya sizobonga. Kumele ubonge usaphila.
Ngiyakuthola.
Tipos angiqale ngidlule la endabeni ezibhlungu allow me ngidlulise icondolences emabridgini weOrlando Pirates I2 Greater Brakpan branch eluze member yayo ubaba uThemba Khoza sithi Mapakania rest in peace kwilunga leBrakpan branch bafethu kuyenzeka lokho emhlabeni kaJehova ngiphinde ngiye angithi Brakpan branch la eGauteng manje ngiya eKZN kwibranch ngasekhaya Greater Umzimkhulu branch baluze umqulusi uZulu uMageba naye bafuthu sithi kumzimkhulu branch bafuthu lihlangano ngihliyo siyenzeka lezinto empilweni family friends batutuzeke umphefumulo kaMageba ulale ngoxolo yeyo bese sibuya ke manje size ePulini angibonge abalandeli beOrlando Pirates Football Club ukuba loyal etimini yabo all the time.
Yes,
namhlanje besizovala i-season.
Yes,
should masifala i-season konke kuhambe kahle baba.
Yes,
konke kuhambe kahle. Ama results ke bhola manje but ngizombonga uNcikazi because uNcikazi usalelwa imidlalo yo4 ukuthi avale ishafta ka Jose Rivero of which abantu bemathematics izibalo beshaya kahle uJose uzamile.
Yes,
because uwenza umsebenzi wakhe uNcikazi waqedelela uNcikazi akazange abayifila.
Yes,
like amanye amabhakani akuvezile ukuthi uNcikazi udlale ama-draw amathathu newin eyi-1.
Yes,
of which uma umqeqeshi wenze kanjalo ayusebenzile
too much
kakhulu kakhulu no asibonge ke ukuthi Pirates isilethele happiness kulama season omathathu sizobona le season esizoyiqala under new coach ukuthi yona izosiphathelana but we pray kuNkulunkulu ukuthi nayo ifane namanye ama season ilethe ihappiness. Yabona abalandeli bePirates esigodini bokumnyama all the time bokumnyama uyezwa sicula ngabadlali sicula ngemanagement wonke umuntu uhappy. Angifuna ukuthi namhlanje ibhekthi kaNdlondlo
Philip
ake simculele
oyibhekthi
ibhekthi kaNdlondlo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ndlondlo. Happy birthday to you. Yippee! Hooray! Yippee! Hooray! Ndlondlo mfana sithi ukhule uNkulunkulu okufisayo empilweni yakho akuphe uNkulunkulu kube impumelelo. Uphushe mfana uyadlala ibhola italent lekho leli ungadlali ngalo ulihloniphe ngaso sonke isikhathi uyabonakala ukuthi umdlali ozithobileyo qhubeka njalo mfana uzoya phambili. My friends wethu bafethu benisiphakona kule season bokuhle kakhulu kuyancomeka konke okunisiphakona ngizwile ukuthi kuthiwa kune letter ebhalelwe kwi-PSL special letter special request ukuthi I top 8 isine amount ethusa kakhulu u10 million sokunama team ke asecelile ukuthi ake kuvena kube I top 10 angazi lama team noba acele because of ehlulekile ukuqualify ukungena ku top 8 asecela kube I top 10 of which they are give uSherman Dr. Ivan Khoza headache because manje sokumela sicubungulo lesicela ukuthi is it correct request or mhlambe kunama pays request ukuthi kubongamele phela khona abantu abathi ikhapha yilona ikhapha ngaphandle kokuthi babe kulolu khapha ya sibonile ngempela mangabe kuthatheka iNetbank kubukwele ibhola kuma fan park into esakudala sasigcina ku World Cup kwaduma namanje kuthiwa kusaparate kuthiwa lana nje impela ePFN bokunzima kakhulu uparitwa eNetbank and yazi iNetbank I think yona cup eline amount encane kwadlula wonke amacup akhona kuPSL kodwa ngokulithola nje alibuyise happiness ngifuna ukuthi hey Poppy stick fana angathi yakhuphula amasokisi ibrand yeKaizer Chiefs inkulu baba into esiyibone eDurban into esiyibone manithatha iNetbank make sure ukuthi mayiqala isizini asenzeni irace bafethu asiqedeni lento yenziwe iSundowns Orlando Pirates Football Club masifuna ileague nayi homework please amathima amancane siwashaya wonke esigodini akusekho team kumele iphume nama point kumele esigodini wonke amathima amancane afaka abo 3 point funje kahle kahle sithatha u6 point kule season esiyoqala ambani niyophumula emakhaya ni relax manilungiselela ipreseason ukuthi siyayiqala season nenze sure ukuthi ileague ithathwa ukuthi siwashaye wonke amathima amancane singa undermine amathima amancane ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sibulale irecord le Sundowns le record eselenziwe iSundowns 8 in a row alfani nokuthi iPirates ikhona kulo competition siyacela sokune leminyaka isiminingi kakhulu singasayazi iPremier League uma ngicounter ama calculations wami asinika 12 years singasayazi le competition siyacela ke ake kuyoba ihomework yenu ukuthi masibuya kusizini ka 25-26 kube season eParis ukuthi si celebrate iBetway Premier League iSundowns ingayi repeat kube ngene thina soyithathwa sibabe sibili aphakaniya nginithanda nonke emakhaya ngithi ihappiness enisinikeze yona badlali nonke siyabonga ngibalandeli bePirates bonke siyabonga guess what namhlanje ngabe njengoba besovala
shoshe
ngibone umsopho emazi umsopho uphumaphi eKZN kwaDukuza eStenga endaweni kaShaka bokukhona ubaba umfukini ophuma eMnambithi owushepheseni weMnambithi bokukhona uGatsheni umlungisi Ndlovu osuka kwaMashu eNtuzuma oyipresident eNtuzuma branch of which ukuzovala kwesizini kwe team namhlanje bokubaleka kakhulu akwazile ukuthi ama branch asuke all over azoba representative ukuthi na afuna ukuthi team mayivala ivala besikhona ingako ne attendance uyibonile akho game ebeyi10 between iPirates neMangisi but let me congratulate aMangisi because sishareile kule season iMangisi benela iCup iPirates yabanela iCup iSundowns yabanela iCup neChiefs yabanela iCup should ama cup wo4 kule game ashare kamnandi and then iMangisi remember nemakesi le beyifika kule season kodwa ithefika kule season yenza kamnandi siyayibongela ukuthi ikwazile ukusurvive yalivika izembe of which ku season ezayo bazodlala babe well prepared because bakwazi ukuthi bangabuyeli back emuva of which umsebenzi omuhlekele weteamini. Siyabonga kakhulu kuma-fans wethu bafowethu. Niqhubeka kanjalo niphushe bafowethu. Sibe nani kusizini ezayo.
Thank you.
Danko.